celebrate? Kaya naman hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and families, let us all welcome the main highlight of this event, none other than MJ, together with Lola Amalia and Daddy Manuel, and everybody sing. One more time. Louder. Awit Mama Daniel, mas malakas naman. Kami nagmamahal sa inyo, kaya naman this time, sir, hingin ko na lang po ang inyong opening message to all our guests na makakasama po natin throughout the party.
Ako pumunta sa birthday ni MJ Celebrate na saksi ni Lola Maria at sa mga katips ko dyan, kamag-anak, pagkisa, kumare, kapitbahay. Kamusta, nakakilala sa amin. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, and this time, makakalapitan ng mas malakas yung My Mas Energy. In 3, 2, 1, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Yung mas malakas! Okay, bago niyo po i-blow ang inyong napagod. Okay. Given po alis nga sinanayan ko po si Daddy and si MJ to please come forward. And to have a picture taken po together with Kuya Yuri. Okay, look at the camera. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more time po.